Ray from Ray Turner Technologies back again. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass a zone on your Bosch 6000 alarm system. Go to the keypad, put in your 4-digit master code and then press menu. From there you're going to scroll down until you find inputs, press OK. Scroll down again until you see bypass zones, press OK. You'll then see a list of your zones come up. Choose the zone that you wish to bypass and you'll see that that's off. To press it on, just press on and then you'll select with OK. And if you wish to turn it off, you'll press off. From there, to get out, just menu back, exit OK. Hope that helps. Have a great day.